This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove yourself from Facebook page as admin. Follow these easy steps to remove yourself from a Facebook page as admin. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app and sign into your Facebook account. Now tap on menu at the bottom right and tap on this arrow icon next to your name and tap on the profile. You want to remove yourself as admin. Now tap on page profile at the bottom right. Tap on the settings at the top right. And here tap on page settings. Scroll down. Under new pages experience, tap on page access. And here you get your profile as admin. So to remove yourself as admin, tap on this three dot and tap on remove from page. Now you have to verify your Facebook profile. So enter here your Facebook account password and tap on confirm. And this is how we can easily remove yourself from Facebook page as admin. As you can see, the page has been removed. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.